What's going on, you guys? Some big news today as Voyager Digital announces some major news. Just looking at the stock chart here, you can see the stock's been getting absolutely punished since their earnings report, which many were not enthusiastic about. I made a video on it. I think that this company is going to do just fine. I think that earnings report will be a blip on this company's radar when we look back in a year or two. I did a video on that. You can check that out in the pinned comment below. But anyway, let's get to the major good news we got today from Voyager Digital. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, drop me a comment below if you have any questions. It all really helps out the channel. Voyager Digital secures final approval to begin operations in Europe. This is one of the huge catalysts that we've been waiting for. This and probably Canadian approval will be next, and I guess it would be nice to get New York approval too. It's available in the other 49 states, of course, but access to the European markets is going to enable this company to grow very, very fast. Voyager Digital is things like a tongue twister to say sometimes, one of the fastest growing publicly traded cryptocurrency platforms in the US, today announced following a standard review by the AMF and the ACPR that Voyager Digital and its leadership have been declared fit and proper to operate under the LGO registration. Voyager is the first non-French, non-European firm to get this designation. This was huge news, and as you can see here, the CEO, Steve Ehrlich, stated this recognition is a major step in the process to bring the Voyager app and product suite to European customers and continue our vision of building Voyager into a truly global financial services company. They also recently acquired Coinify, and Voyager is positioned for an initial launch of the trading app in certain European countries late in the March 2022 quarter. So this is not very far off. We have a long wait list of European customers who are looking forward to the launch of our app. Let's just think about it. If it's anything like the US market, they will now double their client base. Now, one other thing I do want to touch on with this company, this is not without risk, okay? For my personal situation, I think that the risk reward ratio is favorable on this one because I don't see how they don't continue to grow. But this is a company that is not yet profitable, and it's always riskier investing in companies that aren't making money yet because a number of things can go wrong. Now, I've seen everyone talking about tip ranks lately, so I decided to go on there and check it out, check out the analyst ratings, and according to 3 analyst ratings we have here, they have a price target of almost $22. Now, with that being said, they are assuming huge growth rates. We're going to look at an article and give you some specifics right here, but just to be aware, this is one of my more speculative holdings. This is a company that is entirely dependent on the crypto market. If something were to happen with the crypto market, this company is going to cease to exist. It's very intertwined with crypto, so just be aware of that. So Voyager is not yet making a profit. It's not a profitable company. Its revenues have been increasing at an astounding rate. This article is from September, so over the last 12 months, Voyager posted a loss of $87 million. According to the 7 industry analysts covering Voyager, the consensus is that break-even is near. They expect the company to post a final loss in 2021 before turning a profit of $186 million in 2022. The company is therefore projected to break even a year from now. So this is definitely a long-term play. Now we got to see what happens. If they continue to execute, if they continue to grow at this crazy clip, as you can see here, they're expected to grow at 43% annually, which is a very high growth rate. It's hard to sustain that level of growth, but I don't think it's out of reach since this company's so new and there's so much of an untapped market that remains. So if this growth expectation rate of 43% turns out to be too high, the company will take much longer to become profitable. So that would be a negative. Once this company becomes profitable, it will skyrocket. So we're just going to have to wait and see, and I will definitely keep you posted as news comes out. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, drop me a comment below if you have any questions. This is Vinny from the Investment Club, and I'll see you next time.